Welcome. This is the Viofo A329 with some special abilities not seen on other dash cams. It has HDMI out and also a USB-C port. It allows you to connect to memory sticks, also NVMe through an enclosure. I'm plugging in the power into the GPS port, starting up the dash cam. Wants to insert a memory card. You can see there the Viofo original micro SDXC high endurance memory card. It's 128 gigabytes. It's come with some of the specs that are on the packet. Do yourself a favour and just get that. Saves you a lot of pain. Comes well packed. Disabling the power so I can put the memory card in. Best practice. Saves corrupting your memory card. Powering it up. This is real time.
Let's format the card.
Formatting the card here. Best practice to do that first as well. Format the card when you first receive it, even though it will work. Here's the firmware version.
The Vision version 2410.09.
Now for something different, I'm plugging in a SanDisk USB key, 128 gigabyte. Cost me $22. Far cry from the micro SD prices. It's recognised it straight away, and it wants to format it. Now even though there wasn't no button to press there, you just press the center one.
Yes.
There you are, that fast. That's what it looks like, the model. It's working. It knows the USB stick is in, so it prompts you
It looks
to
like it's on it.
ask if you want to use it.
On the external, no. Yes, save videos.
And notice the green in the bottom right corner of the screen. So thanks for watching, and I'll have an NVMe video coming soon. Thanks, cheers.
Looks like it's working. So I'm going to plug this into the side here.